for this video guys, let's buy the actual funds. Currently, nasa 5.3 yung balance ko at bumili tayo ng Php50. Are you ready? Hi guys, this is Teds and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, we will be talking about GInvest. To save our time in watching this video guys, I will be providing timestamp for the different topics that I will be talking in this video. So the first one is we will be discussing what is GInvest. The next one is how to start investing. Number 3, what are the requirements to start your investment? Number 4, what are the products available? Number 5 is what are the pros and cons sa pag-invest dito sa GInvest. At the end of this video guys, I will be also trying to invest to each of their products and see kung magkano yung gain na makukuha natin sa pag-invest dito sa GInvest ng GCash. I-update ko kayo soon, so if you want to know the update, please consider subscribing to my channel. So now guys, alamin natin ano nga ba tong GInvest. So si GInvest ay isang investment marketplace na feature ng GCash app. So basically guys, si GInvest ay isa sa mga feature ng GCash. If you have your GCash account right now, makikita siya doon sa part ng See More at scroll mo lang under Financial Management Services, nandoon si GInvest. Now, how can you apply for GInvest? So after clicking the GInvest feature sa GCash, i-click nyo lang yung proceed to start the registration process. I-ask lang yung email address nyo to proceed. Click nyo lang yung proceed and then choose your answer via tapping on the option button. So kagaya lang ito ng mga ibang platform, kapag nagsisimula ka sa pag-invest ay tatanungin yung kung anong klaseng investor ka. Step 3 is to indicate whether you are from United States of America or not. And then click next. Check mo lang yung agreement button and click confirm to complete your registration. So lalabas dyan yung user agreements, basahin mo lang yan and then after you read all the agreements, click confirm and malalaman mo doon yung kung anong klaseng investor ka. So sa akin yung lumabas ay moderately conservative. Sabi naman ni GCash, it doesn't mean na kung ito lang yung type of investor na pwede ka, ay hindi ka na pwede mag-invest, pwede pa rin. And then you will receive an email and text confirming your GCash registration. You have now activated and started your GInvest. So guys, now if you want to know how much is the minimum investment amount for GInvest funds, may dalawang category dito sa GInvest, yung local at yung global. So, sa global merong dalawa, sa local merong tatlo. For global, ito yung Consumer Trends Fund, Global Tech Feeder Fund. For the local naman, meron silang Peso Money Market Fund, Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund, and the ATRAM Total Return Peso Fund. So, magkano ba yung minimum? For the global accounts, the minimum is 1,000. For local accounts naman, ay 50 pesos lang. By just 50 pesos, you can start already investing in GInvest. So ano nga ba yung mga requirements para makapag-start tayo ng ating investment sa GInvest? Dalawang bagay lang. Una, kailangan ikaw ay 18 years old and above at fully verified ang iyong GCash account. So that's it. That's the only requirements that you need to comply para makapag-start ka na ng investment mo sa GCash. I mean sa GInvest. So now let's talk about what are the pros and cons in investing dito sa GCash. So una, pag-usapan muna natin yung mga pros, no? Unang-una sa pros ng pag-invest dito sa GCash ay convenient siya. So, feature na siya ng GCash which is araw-araw na natin ginagamit. Isang tap lang ay makapag-invest na tayo. It's also good for beginners, no? Hindi mo kailangan ng malalim na pag-aaral para makapag-invest dito. At para bumili ng mga produkto ay meron namang step-by-step process na i-guide tayo ni GCash para makapag-redeem at makapag-start ng investment natin. Now, let's talk about cons. So, for cons ay yung transaction delay. So, medyo matagal yung mga banking days dito. So, for your product to be reflected doon sa platform, it took 2 to 3 days para makita mo yung reflected na nabili mong investment product. Para naman mag-redeem, ganun din, 2 to 5 days. Another thing is, some of their products ay mas mataas pa yung kikitain mo when you invested your money sa mga digital banks like CIMB and ING Bank. But of course, at least, di ba, kumita. So, depende sa inyo yan. Pag-aralan nyo muna yung 5 products nila kung saan ba suit sa inyong investment needs. Tulad ng sinabi ko for this video guys, let's buy the actual funds. Currently, nasa 5.3 yung balance ko at bumili tayo ng Figwa 1,000. Are you ready? Nakabahan ako. Sige. Let's see how well it went. Again, click show more, financial services, GInvest, view investment products, Atram Peso Money Market Fund, view details, buy, enter the amount, 1,000, and then click next. Click I agree. Lalabas yung user agreement. Again, loading. Ayan, sabi dito 2 to 3 banking days. Close lang natin and then confirm. And yun, buy order placed. Click close. Nakakatanggap tayo ng text message from GInvest that you have paid 1,000 to buy units of Atram Peso Money. Subukan natin yung ibang product. Same process. Dito tayo sa Global Fund. Yung technology feeder. Buy, proceed, agree, close, agree, close, proceed, verification, submit, enter amount, agree, user agreement, and confirm. Buy order placed, closed. Another text message from GInvest. So, ayun guys, sabi ko kanina bibilihin ko lahat ng product pero ngayon subukan lang muna natin doon sa minimum na 50 at doon sa 1,000 yung local at global. So, take note na once you buy the actual funds, it will took days before na mag-reflect sa platform yung iyong nabiling product. So, I will update you soon, maybe within a month kung magkano yung magiging gains ito. So that's it for this video guys. I hope nakatulong tong videos ito. And please consider subscribing to my channel. That's it. Bye bye. Thank you.